Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Stackable's map block, but the free version in WordPress. This is a mini-series on taking a look at Stackable's blocks one by one. To get started, let's open up a brand new blank page and look at this block on its own. There's a couple ways to do that, and the first one is if you're logged in anywhere on your website, you'll have this top toolbar. Simply hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you've logged in with your username and password from the back end, you'll end up on your dashboard. Simply head over to your left-hand sidebar, hover down onto Pages, and click on Add New Page. This will take us to the WordPress block editor and create for us a brand new blank page. Once we're here, let's take care of some housekeeping items. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, there's a button beside Publish called Settings. Just click on that, and this is where all of the parameters to toggle and configure for our block will appear. Next, let's give our page a title. Just to keep things organized. And last but not least, let's add the block itself. So there's a blue button over here called the Block Inserter, top left corner. Click on that, and you can either scroll down or search for the block. But since Stackable is on top of list, let's scroll down to Map and drag and drop that into our workspace. Now we can close this, all right, and that gives us more room to work with. Now, again, this is a disclaimer. We're going to be working with the free version, not the pro version or premium version, whatever Stackable likes to call it. And we also don't have an API key. So let's see how far we can get. So if our location isn't what's currently on here, we can search for a place on our map. Next, we can change our height, right? You can make it bigger or smaller. And keep in mind that this is Google Maps, which is why you need an API key, whereas other block libraries use Open Maps or something similar to that. So that's why a lot of the options will be grayed out unless you have an API key. Okay, and we can change it on desktop, tablet, and mobile. We can change how far we're zoomed in or zoomed out, all right, if we want to check out how much to zoom in and zoom out. And these things are grayed out, unfortunately. And we have map style, which are unfortunately grayed out as well. We can also change the map marker, which is this, or other things we add. But unfortunately, it is disabled. I'm currently clicking on this, and it's not opening up. We can add a background to this. Let's go with green. Yeah, that's fine. And we can use an image or a video for that. And we can also change the border radius for this. And next, we have our advanced settings, such as our HTML tags, our hard position settings, our custom attributes, which are HTML, our responsive settings to hide this map or this block in desktop, tablet, and or mobile, and our advanced settings, which are HTML anchor and additional CSS classes. So without an API key, we're kind of dead in the water. We can search for a place and put this on our blog, and it's still useful as it is, but if we wanted to enable certain features, we'll have to get an API key and take a look at this block with that. So we'll take a look at that in another video, but currently, with free and not having an API key, this is as far as we're going to get. So let's go ahead and save our progress by clicking on Publish and look at it on our live site. All right, with that said, let's click on View Page. And here is our free stackable map block, on our website. So there it is. We can zoom in and zoom out, and we can scroll around just like any other Google map. And it's pretty functional as is. So that's something that's good to have. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.